It's welcome back, Crypto Leverage Trading Group. We are on BexPlus, and if you are unfamiliar with BexPlus, BexPlus is a 100x leverage exchange. It is not for everyone. It is high risk. Let me reiterate that fact. It is for 100x trades. When the markets are moving like they did last night, when you get a lot of pumps and you get a lot of dumps, significantly gains can be made on the BexPlus exchange using 100x leverage. It is not for everyone, mates, and it's certainly not for beginner traders. We use BitYard like we use Bit7 in our group to start people out leverage trading at lower leverage entries to build comfort, and then to expand and let them understand more about what happens in the crypto markets, what moves with correlated trading, how to execute trades, how to like for example last night, averaging down trades on your exchange. If you have that capability, depending on what leverage exchange you are trading on, certainly can trade on any exchange that you feel comfortable with. We have those that we prefer and those that we have comfort and relationships with, and that's where we go. But you certainly can use whatever exchange, but just understand that not all methods, especially in our group, can be utilized on all exchanges. Okay. So they each have their own, parameter set. BexPlus, like I said before, is a 100x exchange. When you get more familiar with leverage trading, or you're going to join, one of our channels, you will get a lot more understanding of what we talk about when we want to swing trade, scalp trade, or just play off a dump in Bitcoin or Ethereum like we've experienced in the last couple of weeks, right? And so this is what we're seeing just simply using one method for entry, which is your RSI indicator Oracle alert. Okay, that's all it is when that signal goes off for you. You can do it on TradingView, you can do it on your charting, you can monitor yourself manually, you can look at it. But when you see RSI fall below 20 in Bitcoin and Ethereum especially, but all the altcoins as well, you have to pay attention because you're reaching oversold levels. That doesn't mean it's not going to go down below 10, because it does, but from a probability and statistical standpoint, RSI 10, RSI 20, that's typically where something will fall before the market recalibrates, rebalances, and adjusts back. And we've seen it. We've seen it in Litecoin today. We've seen it in Ethereum today. We've seen it in XRP today. The Dogecoin junkies have seen it in Dogecoin today. People made massive, massive gains in the last 72 hours in Dogecoin, okay, trading leverage. It is crazy. I've gotten messages from people that have made upwards of 15 to 20,000 in the last 48 hours just simply trading Dogecoin. Because when you get those movements in Dogecoin, let's take a look. When you get those movements in Dogecoin, okay, that's on a 4-hour. Let's just go on a 5-minute chart. You get these movements in Dogecoin. Look at that. You get a spike like that, like this morning in the last hour in Dogecoin at something valued at 17 cents. That is a massive rate of return on leverage. Okay. When you look at these moves, that the other coins are making, their valuation, Bitcoin is 29,700. Okay. Ethereum is 1782. Okay. Even XRP is 3 times as much as Dogecoin, right? So the moves and what you generate on your return are all real based on that movement off of the underlying entry price. So you entered Bitcoin, you entered Dogecoin at 17 cents, and you get a move to 17.6, 17.7, 17.8. You're looking at 100%. You're looking at 150% at 100x. You're looking at and so when you get to that measure, like right now, we're getting a retracement here in Dogecoin because of this move here. And this is just on the 5-minute. But if we open this back up, let's take a look at the 15-minute. We got a lot of stuff happening here. We're going to have some dojis show up. Okay. And so people could be selling down right now. And they're scalping. And that's all I'm saying is you want to keep that in mind. We don't have it open down here. Obviously, it open trade at the moment. But you can see where we are at already, in the overnight. 280 on Ethereum, 94 on XRP, 28% on Bitcoin. And that's where we stand, mates, on BexPlus. If you're interested hit up, join our free trading Discord, and